I have never looked worse. Oh, my bangs. Oh my god. Oh no. You know what? It's fine. You know what? I'm acting like I'm not gonna care, but like I care like heavily. Hey guys, it's me, Abby, and today I'm going to be doing my very late what I got for Christmas / birthday video. I mentioned this in every one of these videos, but if you don't know, my birthday was December 31st. I uploaded my 18th birthday, like getting ready with me vlog kind of video a couple days ago, so I'm gonna leave that in the description box down below. You guys can go check that out if you haven't already. But I combine my Christmas and birthday gifts in one video because they're so close together, literally 6 days apart. So I'm like, what's the point of doing separate videos? I'm just going to do the common little spiel. I'm not trying to brag. I like watching these videos. I know a lot of other people like watching these videos. I am very aware of the people who are not fortunate enough during the holiday season. I am very grateful for everything that I received, and for Christmas and my birthday, I really didn't want any like stuff. Like, I really wasn't asking for anything really. Like, I wanted some AirPods. I'm not gonna lie, I thought at first that AirPods were really stupid. I was like, what is the point? Like, people are just gonna lose them. I still see dry shampoo in my hair. I'm very aware of the unfortunate situations that a lot of families go through. I know that sometimes people lose someone during the holidays and it can be a very depressing time, even when the holidays are supposed to be the most happiest time of the year. I'm aware that some families can't afford to buy gifts for their family. Again, very grateful for the life that I live. I did start school today. My hair is greasy. I don't have any makeup on. I'm wearing a Halloween Sherpa. I'm really just not at my best today, so I'm sorry that I look like trash, and I usually look somewhat okay in my videos, but today is just not my day. It was the first day of school after winter break, so it's a hard time for all of us. So one of the things she got me, actually this was for my birthday, whatever, so it's a star, and actually, guys, this is difficult. I was struggling to make this. I'm gonna need some help, but basically it's this like paper star, and then you take a bulb and you stick it in the star, and it's supposed to like light up the star, and you can like hang it up in your room. And she bought this because she's like, I can put in my room right now, I can put in my dorm, so my college dorm, because I am going to college this year. That's a fun thought. I'm gonna have to figure this out because this stumped me. I really did try to do this and it really stumped me, so I think I'm gonna need some another third party to help me out with that, but as for right now, haven't figured it out. She also got me some essential oils because I kind of knew that my uncle got me an essential oil diffuser, but I told her that I knew I got an essential oil diffuser, but I didn't get any essential oils, and that I would have to buy that myself. So she got me some essential oils. So it came in like a kit. This is what I don't know why I got the pamphlet out. That was kind of stupid. I don't know which one I have in right now, but it smells so good. And then she also got me some clothing items. So one of them was, or is, I guess, this hoodie, and it looks really red on camera, but it's actually like a really pretty dark burgundy color. Has a little bit of that like trendy lace-up look. I wore this like 2 days straight after she gave me. It's so comfortable. I just washed it, so I'm excited to wear this again. And then I love cherries. I don't love fresh cherries. First of all, I love the look of cherries. I also love the artificial cherry flavor. She got me this cute cherry crop top. I love it. It fits really cute with some like high-waisted jeans. I love it. And I also have cherry Vans, which would go perfectly with these. That'd be kind of head-ass, but I think it's cute. So from school, had a little Secret Santa, and Caroline was my Secret Santa. So she got me these. They're in my second piercing right now. All I basically wear are like diamond earrings, so I really liked them. They're really cute. She also gave me some Takis. Takis, Funyuns, and sea salt and vinegar chips are my top three favorite chips of all time. I am constantly craving Takis. Constantly. All the time. 24/7 craving Takis because I love them so much. It's like crack cocaine. I will not stop eating them. But let me tell you, if I eat too many, like, it goes in spicy, it comes out spicy. It's not good. And then she gave me the Mystic Mondays tarot cards. So there's 78 cards, and I think this is so cool. I've never had my own deck of tarot cards before. My mom has some, but I've never had some. So my friend Matt, not my ex-boyfriend Matt, who was in a previous video, that's T. He really treated me, he really did. Oh, there's a Pepsi can. I don't drink Pepsi. What? He got me this 32-inch LED TV for my room. I know, what a friend I have. He was joking about getting me a TV for a long time, and I was like, no you're not, because like he would come over and like I wouldn't have a TV in my room and he would complain. I have the Wii to play video games and watch DVDs. I have my Roku to stream, so that's one of the things that I got. He got me some makeup brushes, but they're kind of mixed in with my makeup brushes right now, but they're basically like these purple makeup brushes. This is a spoolie. I don't know how many came, but like these purple ones. So I got hella makeup brushes, as if I don't have enough makeup brushes already. He also gave me a Bob Ross Chia Pet, and I've never had a Chia Pet before.
There's a new pet.
Chia.
Soak your chia, spread the seeds, keep it watered, and watch it grow.
I also haven't like set it up yet. I'm not really sure where to put it. My room's pretty much stuffed with shit, so I don't know where I'm gonna put this. He also gave me this little dolphin, really cute. If y'all don't know, my favorite animal is a dolphin, so I love them to pieces. It lights up. You get to like dissect the stomach to get into its guts and turn it on. It's a little bit violating, I'm gonna admit. Look at that. Oh, and it like changes colors. It's really cute. I love it, and it glows like honey glows. He got me some slippers. They're like the little like sock slippers. They have like the grippies on the bottom so you don't slip and fall. But I've been wearing these actually a lot. They have little cats with a crown on it. He knows I love cats. Oh, Jillian. Okay, what did Jillian get me? Okay. Shoot, what did she get me? So one of the items that she gave me, I actually couldn't find, but it was a mug from the Art Institute of Chicago, and it had like daisies and flowers, or daisies and sunflowers all over the mug. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up here. But it was really cute and really pretty, and I love it. Also, she got me an Alexa. I'm going to give a little shout out to a really independent, not well-known artist right now. His name's Huron John. I hope I'm saying that right, and I actually hope he does not watch my videos. I went to film camp with him several years ago actually, maybe like 5 years ago. He recently started not recently, I don't know. He makes music. He has it on Spotify and Apple Music. Again, he's not very well known. He's like just starting out, but his music is bomb. Alexa, play Friend Zone by Huron John.
Friend Zone by Huron John from Spotify.
Huron John. I don't know. Y'all get the idea. I love my Alexa. I love having this like speaker in my room. Although the government might be listening to me right now because she's listening to every single word I'm saying right now. But you know what? Hey Trump! Cheeto ass looking bitch. I freaking love that song. My step-grandma, she gave me some money. Well, a good chunk of money. Well, she did give me a couple things. One of the things she did get me along with the money was this necklace right here. I'm gonna try go beauty guru on you guys so I can show you. Basically, it's the Big Dipper, Little Dipper, and on the package it said that it represents the undying, unconditional love between a mother and their child. So I thought it was really cute, the message, but also this is just a really cute necklace. So I wear this every day. I've worn it every day since I've received it. Along with that, she got me this thing called a space pen. Now, I did not think that this was a thing. Ooh, I didn't even think that, you know, when astronauts were going to space, they had to, the US decided to manufacture a specific pen that could be used in any circumstances, in any situation. It can be used in space without any gravity. It can be used underwater, upside down, in immense heat, in the freezing cold. It can be used in any circumstances. Yeah, I thought that was a cute little gadget, and I really, again, want to try that underwater. It's very intriguing to me. My dad's girlfriend also gave me some stuff. So actually, I don't have everything she gave me with me. She gave me some art supplies that she hasn't really used in a long time. She gave me like these little baby canvases. She gave me some tempera and acrylic paints. She gave me a couple paint brushes because I got inspired by Bob Ross to do painting again. I never used to like avidly paint, but he inspired me, so I said that I wanted to get some painting supplies for the holidays. And she also gave me these cute little 52 Adventures in Chicago little cards. And she also got me this photo frame, and it's glass, you could see. So basically you put your photo right here where this white piece of paper is, and then you slip the glass through it, and it's just like this cute picture thing, so I could put this in my dorm. So my dad actually bought me a crap ton of paint supplies. I don't have everything with me because everything is downstairs in my basement, and since I've already painted 2 paintings, I'm gonna put the paintings up on the screen to show you guys what I did so far. I have been loving it. That was like probably one of like my favorite things I've ever received, was that whole paint supplies. I got Bob Ross brushes, I got 36 oil paints, I got canvases, an easel, paint thinner, liquid white, liquid black, everything that Bob Ross uses, I got. So I'm not going to show you what this place is called because this place is pretty close to my house, and I don't know if this is a chain or anything, but I'm just going to cover up just for my own privacy purposes. But basically, it's a gift certificate to a floating thing. I don't know if you guys have ever seen celebrities doing like the float sessions, where they basically like float in a huge like bath, like a little pool of like salt water. So there's so much salt that your body floats, and it's supposed to be relaxing, and it has a lot of benefits to it. I did it once, it was pretty nice. Although it did kind of freak me out that it was so dark, so I do kind of like you can add some lights if you want. He also got me he's buying me some tickets to see a play called The Twilight Bowl, and I'm bringing Julian along with me to see this play. That's everything that my dad got me, I'm pretty sure. So my mom also gave me money because she's not one to give me like a bunch of stuff, but she did get me a couple things. She got me a couple journals, and I do love to journal. I don't journal enough. I love these. These are so cute. So this is the first one. Really florally and cute. There's a little girl in the front, and every page is like a different design. I think it's so cute, and I would love to journal in these. Oh my god. This is the other one. It has a little, what is that? Some kind of horse or some kind of like magical creature on the front. Again, has some different designs in the pages, and so cute. I love them, and I'm definitely gonna use these in some way. So my uncle, 2 of the things he did get me are both things I actually asked for, just to kind of fill up my Christmas list in some way, because my grandma likes to get me stuff. She doesn't like to give me money. So I kind of filled my Christmas wish list with like miscellaneous things I could probably use in the future. The first thing is this desk lamp. So it's a pen holder and music and magic color table lamp. So basically, wait, it plays music? Oh, I didn't even know that. So you can move the thing all around. It's like this long thing. That's what the light looks like. This is where you can put your pens and stuff. It also has like you can change the color of the light on the top here. It obviously says the time. This is apparently Bluetooth. And there's a power bank within the lamp, so there's probably like a USB or something like that to charge your phone. I figured it'd be great for college because one, I could charge my phone, I could play music, there's light, changing colored lights, it's an alarm clock, like it has everything I need in one little thing that I can just put on my desk in my dorm room. My uncle also got me an essential oil diffuser, which changes color. Like you can change the light to whatever you want. You can change like how It can be 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or you can just let it keep going for as long as you want until you turn it off. It's auto shut off once the water runs out. My room smells so good because of this. I love this so much. So I obviously wanted that for college. Most of the things I really wanted was for college because I wanted to spend the least amount of money as possible when I'm shopping for my dorm room. Go to my grandma now. My grandma, love that girl, yeah. My grandma got me pretty much everything for college. So one of the things she got me is this, what is this called? It's like a little pocket. So basically there's this, oh, I fell off my chair. So basically there's this little flap right here, and you basically just slip this like in the inside so it like hangs off your bed, and you can like keep stuff there instead of like having to get down to get all your stuff. So I can put my phone in here, I can put some snacks, I can put some headphones. It's just like a little extra storage thing that doesn't take up too much space, that is really convenient and easy, and I can just take stuff out of while I'm just in bed. This is the desk lamp that she got me. This is what's providing the light right now. I'm going to shine this out of your face. So this has like a dual shade little lamp thing. It has a power, like a plug on the top. It also has a USB port right here, and it has little organizer bins to like keep stuff in, and it has a little like pencil holder. So I've been using, this is a very strong bulb, so I've been using it as a filming light. It's super bright, and it's just a nice little extra bit of light to do my makeup. So I love that, my opinion.
It's home.
Hold on, my uncle's calling me. Alexa,
It's home.
answer. We have an Alexa downstairs, and so he can use that one to call my upstairs one, which is actually pretty great communication, but he just asked me to help him out. So I guess this video is going to take a bit of a pause. Go grab a snack. I do need a break. I feel like I've been talking forever. Commercial break starts now. Where was I? Oh right, my Gma. Okay. Gma also gave me this shower caddy. I'm going to be in a dorm room with probably some community showers. So also even a little pouch to put your phone in, so you don't have to like leave it in your dorm room, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I would probably just leave my phone in my dorm. But okay, so first of all, it's a little Ziploc, and it like folds, and then there's another little flap to make sure your phone does not get wet. I love that. She also got me this little towel wrap. So I would use this, you know, if I was just done showering. Ooh, I'm naked. Ooh, gotta be modest. There's even a button here to make sure that there are no nip slips up in here. There is a Velcro thing to lock it in place, and so it's just like this really helpful little towel wrap to make sure you can like walk to your dorm room all modest and like not have to like worry about like holding your towel. It just sticks there and you're good and you can walk freely. She also got me a laundry bag. If you guys can't tell, I love the color blue. She really kept with that theme besides that shower caddy, but I do like the color pink too. It works, it's good. That's what it looks like. It's like this. It has handles, which I appreciate because I'm gonna have to carry my clothes to the laundry, and I really like that there's handles so I can easily carry it. I'm pooped. I forgot how much talking is a really exhausting activity. If I forgot anything, well, that's my B. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the videos I create, please hit the subscribe button down below, and if you want to get notifications every single time I upload a new video, please hit the notification bell to get notification every single time I upload a new video. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to reply to you. Anyways, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Okay, so I completely forgot to mention another gift. I received this Bob Ross mug from my dad's girlfriend, and basically when you pour hot water, anything hot, in the cup, it turns into a masterpiece on the cup, but when it's cold, it just stays black like this. And on the back it says, "We don't make mistakes, we have happy accidents," which is his well-known quote.